Hello babes, it's Quoia Renae and I'm back with another video. So today you guys, I'm just going to be doing a traditional install on my sister. She's getting a middle part sewing with minimal leave out, and I'm just going to let you all see briefly how I do the sew-in part. If you all would like to see in full detail of how I do a sew-in, then definitely let me know in the comment section. I just know that it takes me a really long time to do them, so I try to edit out as much as I can so that the video won't seem so long, even though I can speed it up, but you know, it's still gonna seem long. So I'm just gonna let you all see briefly how I do the install, and then we're gonna get into styling. So here I'm going to start blow drying her hair. She has in True Glory's hair. She got her hair from the Camp Creek location here in Atlanta. Um, she has 4 bundles in her head. I always aim to put in 4 bundles because I just like the fullness, and it can still lay flat with 4 bundles. So I always go in with 4 bundles, even for myself as well as my sister. I recommend her to get 4 bundles as well. And she got 2 body wave textures as well as the straight texture, so that's why it looks wavy, and I'm just blow drying it straight. Next, I'm going to go in with my Babyliss flat iron. I just recently bought some new flat irons, so I'm excited to use them with you all, but right now I'm just using my older flat irons. There's nothing wrong with these, I just like to switch it up sometimes, so definitely stay tuned when I start to use my Prima babies. I definitely can't wait to start using them. But I'm just straightening my sister hair. She loves the bone straight look with the middle part, so I'm going to bone straight it out. I went in with my Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. I did like 2 pumps, not per section that I'm flat ironing, but I just did 1 pump on one side of her head and then the other pump on the other side. So I literally just did 2 pumps for her entire head. I'm not using a lot of product. Like I said, you don't need a lot of product for your weave. You don't want it to be weighed down. So I'm just using the chasing method with my tension brush, and I'm just gliding down her hair, having a firm grip on that Babyliss flat iron, and I'm just gonna let you all continue to see the finish. Look. So right here, I just wanted to interject and say this. For all you hairstylists, makeup artists, or anybody that provides a service to beautify ladies, don't y'all hate when y'all client be trying to sneak, take pictures, look in the mirror before you finish? Like, trust the process. Like, dang, I don't need you trying to sneak pictures and stuff and trying to see how far along I got to go. Like, just wait, sis. Like, chill. So every time I'm doing my sister's hair, my mom is always sitting somewhere close and near so she can intervene and put in her opinion about every little thing I do. Like if something not land right, if she see a string hanging up, anything, she's going to criticize whatever I do. So you all can see my sister kind of rolling her eyes, and it's at my mom. And you can even see in this next scene of my mom talking about the way that I tried to like move her hair around to show y'all that it's bone sickly straight and it got movement, but my mom was like, girl, what are you doing? Yeah, it's just, she a mess, okay?
I hope you cancel that. The edit that. Cause she doing this for her YouTube, crazy.
So now I'm going to go in with some Tresemme Heat Protect. Now I'm going to spray that on her leave out and prepare to blow dry that as well. Once I blow dry her leave out straight, I'm going to go ahead and go in with some more of that Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum, and then I'm going to go in with my Care wax stick. Y'all know that is the perfect wax stick if you want your hair to blend in perfectly with your hair. And then I got my baby Davin to hold the camera for me just so you all can see how well her hair blended in with this weave. Right here, I'm just blow drying her edges just so I can make sure that the edge control lasts longer on her edges. And I have it set on a cool setting, and I'm just placing it and setting her edges in place. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to finish laying her hair down with some of that Care sheen stuff that I got. I'm gonna let y'all know in the comment section because I always forget the name of it. And this is the part where your client is supposed to, like, you know, say, oh, thank you so much for the service, and then pay you. But she didn't pay me. So you know, just make sure you don't have a client that run off on you. When you catch this slay, you gotta pay, okay? I'm just playing, y'all. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and follow your girl on Instagram at Quoia_Renae. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.